in continuously from the low over here. We have been in a rally mode and we have reached 23,000. The good part is the distribution day, which indicates the weakness in the market. That is only two. So there are only two distribution day currently. Generally, there should be a high distribution day count to spot the top in the market, but now it's only two. So that is positive for the overall market. Plus, we are trading almost 2.5 to 3% above the key moving averages, that is 21 and the 50-day moving average. Okay, so now next important level will be to trade above this previous resistance zone, that is 22,800 level, where Nifty found a resistance couple of times. So we need to trade about that level. Once we trade about that level, we can see some more highs from here. On the flip side, I think 2150 DMA can be a good support level on the downside. So let's watch out. But I think this is the last week relevant for all these levels, because by the Saturday, next Saturday, there will be, sorry, this Saturday only, there will be the exit poll. Then the Monday market might be volatile due to exit polls. Then again, on Tuesday, there is the result day, and there will be a lot of volatility then. So I think whenever there is such a big result, the levels might not be that significant to watch out, but yeah, the outcome will be important. List today: LIC, NMDC, NALCO, GMDC, Indocount, these guys and many others will report the Q4 numbers. Divis Lab Q4 was good, like the revenue was up 18%, profit increased 67%, while margin also expanded 7% YOY to 32%. Glenmark's Q4 revenue was up 2.1%. EBITDA increased around 27%, though it reported some loss as a PAT, and the margin expanded 3.2% YOY to 16.5%. NTPC's Q4 result missed estimate. The revenue was up 3%, and the profit was down 2%. Margin contracted around 20 bips. Lumax Industries revenue was up 22%, profit was up 75%, while margin expanded 90%. So that was a really good result. So many other news and results were also out during the weekend. It's a long list. Even there was a news about the Hero Motor. The tax demand has been reduced to 178 crore from 605 crore. So that will be positive for the company. And there is a change in the 30 BSE Sensex stocks. So Adani Port will be included, while Wipro will be out from the Sensex effective June 24. Nazara Tech also reported the number. The EBITDA was down 85%. So that's a sharp fall in EBITDA. Then I think Karnataka Bank, the NIM was a bit on the lower side, while NII growth was also a bit weaker. Now, if you look at the global market, Dow was flat, S&P, Nasdaq, good show on Friday. If you look at today's Asian market, it's been positive. So 0.3% up for Shanghai and Nikkei each, and Kospi was up 0.7%. So GIFT Nifty also indicates positive opening, so the gap might be small. 20-30 पॉइंट ही ऊपर दिख रहा है अभी if you compare to the closing of the Friday's level, but yeah, looks like overall जैसे कि US market का trend देखो, Asian market देखो, and even the if you look at the GIFT Nifty, the opening looks positive, और वहां से there is a chance that momentum can pick up. Now, if you look at the stock of the day, I think this chart is interesting. GAIL. So there has been a really good rally in the GAIL for the last few months. And after that rally, see, it always finds a good support at 50 DMA. यहाँ पे भी मिला था, एक आध दिन ही नीचे रहा था. Then it again resumed the rally. Now again it tested its 50 DMA और यहाँ पे base बना रहा है. And it is just 4% to pivot. So the base is decent. यहाँ पे जिस तरह का accumulation हुआ है, ठीक है, रेगुलर एक्यूमुलेशन हुआ है, और अभी जैसे कि अभी 2 दिन हाई वॉल्यूम पे स्टॉक नेगेटिव क्लोज हुआ, बट ब्रॉडली द मूवमेंट वाज साइडवे. ऐसा नहीं था कि कोई मेजर सेलिंग आया, मेजर नेगेटिव क्लोज हुआ हो. इवन 21 DA में भी ब्रीच नहीं हुआ था. सो टेक्निकली लुक्स गुड. फंड होल्डिंग हायर बेस पे भी 5% बढ़े हैं. ऑलरेडी 794 फंड्स. द अर्निंग्स हैव बीन इंप्रूविंग क्वाइट वेल. थोड़ा सेल्स ग्रोथ इतना नहीं आ रहा है, बट या द मार्जिन्स आर एक्सपेंडिंग. द अर्निंग्स हैव बीन गुड. द ईपीएस स्ट्रेंथ इज गुड. द आरएस 79. बायर डिमांड नीड्स टू इम्प्रूव. यहाँ पे थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट आना चाहिए. The group rank is excellent. So I think once we move closer to the pivot and once we break out on a higher volume, that will be a good plan point to watch out for GAIL. So the stock looks quite interesting from O'Neill point of view. That's it for today's session. Thank you for joining. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.